Are you feeding your fish too much? Well, in this video, we're going to find out. Welcome to Teddy's Creatures. Hey guys, welcome back. I had to do a bit of a dramatic entrance, if you know what I mean. Today we're going to be discussing whether you and me feed our fish too much and what happens if you do feed your fish too much. So I've got my script here, so hopefully it goes to plan. So, have you ever looked into your fish and thought, are my fish still hungry? And you've been so tempted that you've given them another pinch. But did you know that overfeeding your fish can actually be quite harmful for your aquarium? Too much food can lead to dirty water, extra waste, algae, and even health problems for your fish. So today on Teddy's Creatures, we're answering the big question. How much should you actually feed your fish? Let's dive in. How much fish food should you give? One of the most important things to remember is, don't feed more than your fish can eat. A good starting point is to give your fish a small amount and see whether they eat it all. Ideally, your fish should eat most of the food within a few minutes. If your food is still floating around in the tank, you know you've given them too much because they don't want it. So fish that out immediately because it won't go well if you leave it in. And as that builds up, it will create, at the bottom of the substrate, it will just be waste everywhere. It can create ammonia, which kills your fish. So, yeah, remember, different fish have different appetites. A small group of tetras will need much less food, like our Danios here, compared to different fish, like our, for example, Freddy or our blue Aquarium, who are slightly bigger fish. I mean, Freddy's quite a bit bigger, the sailfin pleco. So don't just copy what you've seen on YouTube, these big YouTubers with millions of subscribers saying, I feed my koi fish every day. No, don't, because they're just advising you to kill your own fish. It's madness. So, I shouldn't get too mad, should I? Food that your fish don't eat doesn't just disappear. It's not magical. We're not in some kind of Marvel magical land where all the fish are happy and healthy by themselves. No. Ugh. The leftover food starts breaking down, and as it breaks down, it contributes to waste in the water. Your fish also produce waste after eating. All of this adds to the workload of your aquarium's filtration system and beneficial bacteria. If too much waste builds up, your water quality can suffer, which is bad for your fish. How does overfeeding actually affect the water quality? A healthy aquarium depends on good water quality. Overfeeding can contribute to increased waste and nutrients in the tank. This can encourage unwanted algae growth and make the aquarium much harder to clean. And you'll have to clean it a lot more regularly as well. In a properly maintained aquarium, beneficial bacteria help process fish waste. But if you're constantly adding too much food, you're adding more waste than necessary. That's why feeding the right amount is such an important part of fish keeping. Less waste means a healthier and easier to manage aquarium. And my tips is, don't listen to these fish shops or pet shops which are advising you to feed your fish once every 2 days or even once a day. It's madness. I mean, if you've heard what I've just said, it's killing your fish. And the only reason they're saying that is because it's so they can sell more fish food, and then they get more money. So it's not about the fish at all, really. Different fish have different needs. Here's something really important. Not all the fish eat the same way. Some fish are mainly herbivores. So, how much do you feed your fish? The answer is enough to meet their needs, but not so much that you're leaving loads of food behind. Every aquarium is different, and every fish species have its own requirements, whether it's the biggest almighty saltwater black-tip reef sharks or great whites or something like that, or to the tiny little freshwater danios, or the, if I can spin you around, the mountain minnows in there. So don't listen to these YouTubers online or these TikTokers or whatever they are that are saying, oh, feed your fish every day, it's good for them. It's not. I'm telling you, it's not. I've seen the consequences, because believe me, I listened to them and it didn't work. So I know I've been a bit mad and it's not at you at all, but I hope you have learnt something. And remember, when it comes to feeding fish, more isn't always better. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Teddy's Creatures and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next adventure. We've got loads more fish keeping, aquatic life and amazing animals coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now, and look after those fish.